Flax seeds are power packed with nutrients. They are super rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which has amazing health and beauty benefits. So, in this video, we are going to talk about how to make flaxseed gel for hair. And I'm going to apply it continuously for next 5 days on my hair to see the before and after. So, make sure you stay tuned till the end. So first thing first, how to make flaxseed gel for hair. You will need unroasted flax seeds. Half a teacup would be perfectly fine and a heavy bottom pan because we don't want to burn the gel. Now quickly place the pan on the stove, add 6 cups of water, half cup of flax seeds and let the magic happen. So you'll keep stirring the mixture and make sure that your flame is really low. This will take for about 20 to 22 minutes for your gel to get ready. You will see this frothy layer coming up and this is the sign that your flaxseed gel is ready. Now the most important thing, you need to strain the gel immediately. Please do not wait for it to cool down because it will be too difficult to strain. And make sure that you're doing it in a glass container. It's going to be a messy process as you can already see. But that's fine. What's a DIY without making a mess, right? Now another quick tip, you can use the remaining seeds to make a fresh batch of gel next time. But for me, I could see the quantity was really less for 5 days, so I straight away dived into the second batch preparation. You can simply store the gel and the seeds in your refrigerator in an airtight container for close to 5 to 7 days without worrying. So as the mixture will start cooling down, it will take the gel consistency just like so. So make sure you strain it while it's hot. It does not have any smell. It's like seeds, like the seeds only. So I'll quickly wait for it to cool down और उसके बाद I'll start the application. So this is how my hair looks before I start with this flaxseed application. And trust me, sunlight is overacting at this point of time. My hair are not that shiny. The ends are really dry. My hair are not really bad also, but then the ends are really, really dry. So now we are at the process of application of flaxseed gel in our hair. Now make sure to pay attention because this is what we are going to do for next 5 days. Quickly remove any tangles and start playing with this jiggly jelly flaxseed gel. It's going to be a messy process, trust me. So I had to rush to my washroom because that was a wrong decision to do it in my bedroom. Now the process is pretty simple. You just need to cover each and every combed strand of your hair with this flaxseed gel to impart the maximum nutrition or nourishment to your hair. I'm not gonna lie, the process is very messy. This is the day 1 application of flaxseed gel. I'm gonna cover both the sides obviously, but here's a fast forward clip for you guys so that you don't get bored. Now that each and every strand, scalp, everything is covered in flaxseed gel, even my washroom's floor, I'm quickly gonna tie a bun and put the shower cap. Bath time. ओवर ने कोई कंडीशनर कोई भी शैम्पू नहीं लगाया है, नॉर्मल पानी से अपने बाल धोए हैं एंड वी डन फॉर डे 1. आई विल शो यू द रिजल्ट्स tomorrow. See you on day 2. Bye. So hello from day 2 and hello from my swollen face. It's quite a morning and this is what the results look like. Not much of a difference, but yeah, the ends do look a little bit better. That I can say for sure. Ta-da! I'm trying to keep you guys entertained in the video so that you do not skip it. Make sure to watch the whole video. Now this is the day 2 itself. This is like day 2 afternoon and this is going to be my second application of flaxseed gel. I generally transfer the portion of gel for the hygiene purposes. I do not dip my hand in the glass jar. I just put it in another container and the same process to be repeated on second application. Apply the gel, wait for 45 minutes, wash your hair with water, no shampoo and no conditioner. Now enjoy this clip of me being crazy and trying to protect my floor from flaxseed gel, but it can't happen. So again, put the shower cap on, wait for 45 minutes, dance a bit and there you go. This is the clip from day 3, like day 3 morning. And I did notice a huge change on second day. Like after the second application, my hair was shining like crazy. They were so lustrous and now talking about the ends, they were more moisturized. My hair started to feel a little bit of heavy and I think that's because I'm not shampooing or conditioning. But my god, look at the glossy shine, man. They're very much similar to the shampoo ads, right? Now here's a clip of me free dancing for you guys. Here's a show of me getting crazy with this flaxseed gel application, the third application on day 3. And yeah, I think that's all. So day 3 is also done, as you can see. ऐसा कुछ आवाज आ रहा है. Again, I'll not do any shampoo or conditioner. सीधा इसे धोऊंगी after 45 minutes. Today I'm going to exercise क्योंकि सुबह नहीं हो पाई, दिन के 3 बज रहे हैं. 45 minutes करीब के बाद मैं सीधा इसे पानी से धो लूँगी. Workout has been done. So I'll just quickly take bath and बाल normal धोंगी मैं, and I'll see you on day 4. So this is day 4 and this is how my hair looks. So I started the fourth application of flaxseed gel, and again same thing, no washing with shampoo and conditioner, just with simple water, and that is it. I feel this is going to be an amazing thing for people with wavy or curly hair, because they kind of, this gel, this kind of refines the curls and the waves of your hair. This is after I washed my hair and air dried. They were a little frizzy, but yeah, welcome to day 5. So this is the last day of flaxseed gel application, and these were the results after 4 applications. My waves were quite defined, and I was really happy with the results. The hair were moisturized, like super moisturized, and I was so happy that I was dancing. It was a good morning actually, if I can remember. It was an amazing morning. So here we are at the last application. Last application was done quickly, and the flaxseed gel was smelling as fresh because I stored it in my refrigerator. Now quickly doing it for you guys. I know it could be a little repetitive, but then I have to show it to you guys that I'm doing it for 5 days. I'm not cheating, I'm not lying. And yeah, again, I'm just, trying to protect stuff from flaxseed gel. Make sure you do it in your washroom because this goes to places. Flaxseed gel application. Today I'm going to shampoo and condition because last 5 दिन से मैंने shampoo और conditioner कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. सिंपल पानी से बाल धोती थी. So I'm done bathing and look at this. एक तो इतने टाइम बाद मैंने खुशबू वाली कोई चीज़ अपने बालों पे लगाई. It felt awesome. दूसरी चीज़, it was feeling so silky कि मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि I need conditioner. So I skipped conditioner on the 5th day also. जिस दिन धो उस दिन perfectly set नहीं होता. Same is the story with me. तो मे बी आज they will not look their best, but tomorrow I'm pretty sure they're gonna look their best. तो मैं कल का भी clip लगाऊंगी. Till then, bye. And this is the clip from same night, like day 5's night. And guys, please just look at the shine. I know there's a little bit of reflection of light also, but my hair was super amazing and super soft to touch, and I just loved the process. Now this is day 6, no application today. I'm just here to show you the results. And this is kind of a verdict day 2, that what do I feel about flaxseed gel on hair after continuous application for 5 days. Now number 1, what I have seen is that you do not need 5 days of application regularly if your hair at a decent, at a decent level. But then if you feel that your hair are too dry and brittle, then please go for this treatment once a month. You are going to get a lot of benefits. Now this process is particularly going to be really helpful for people with dry or curly hair because it helps in defining your waves and your curls. Your hair will look super moisturized. So that's all for this video. Now before leaving, make sure that you hit the like button because I have done so much of effort in making this video. And do not forget to subscribe if you're interested in such topics. I'm gonna see you soon.